What is going on? Welcome to the channel. Alright, so we're gonna do a special 12.3 video here from the park position, and 11.49 actually couldn't handle that. And it's amazing how it saw this car coming and waited. Very nice job. So get ready, we are getting ready to attempt a very difficult unprotected left turn following this right turn. So really nice job creeping up for this right turn, not getting in the way of anyone. I really like the way it did that. All right, so check this out. We've got this left turn coming up at this stop sign, and this is a very busy left, unprotected left. There's cars coming at both sides. Sometimes people wait here for like 5 minutes before going. Humans definitely have trouble at this intersection. So here we go. We're gonna let FSD do its thing completely. So as you can see, cars are zooming on both sides. We've got this car making a left towards me. Got cars coming in front of me. This guy is blocking my vision to the right. So what does FSD decide to do? We are about to find out. So it looks like it's still scanning, waiting for a chance to go. And I probably would have just went right there personally. I felt like we had enough time to go, but for some reason FSD decided to wait. And here we go. So hopefully it makes a decision to go. Looks like we should be clear right now after this car. And if, okay, now it does decide to go, and look at that, it went ahead all the way, didn't wait in the middle. And I've got a right turn coming up here. So really nice job making that left. I know people freak out at that left turn, so for FSD to be able to make it with no issues, I'm really glad to see that. I've had to take over many times before on that turn with 11.49, so 12.3 just handled it. It got into this right lane at the perfect time. Also, 11.49 has missed this turn. It's one of those 50-50. Sometimes it misses this turn, sometimes it takes it, but 12.3 got into the right lane perfectly. It took this turn with no issues. I like how it's merging into the left lane now. Really awesome behavior by the car here. I'm super impressed. But overall, I mean, some of the tasks that 12.3 is able to handle is a huge leap from 11.49. Like, you can now put it in complex traffic situations, like in shopping centers with busy parking lots with people crossing, and so far it has prevailed for me every single time. Take a look at my hectic shopping center video that I posted a few days ago. That was like my first time driving using 12.3, and I had it do some really incredible challenges to get from one side of the shopping center to the other, and it prevailed. It did a really good job. So far it's handling all of my challenges, like this unprotected left we just saw it do. It's doing a really good job, and I'm really impressed. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit that like button if you did enjoy this video. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe. I've got a lot of FSD beta videos coming your way, all version 12.3, 12.31 coming soon, following by 12.4, Auto Park and Smart Summon on the way. So yeah, thanks again for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hit that like button if you did, and make sure you subscribe, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.